families, very shortly I am going to be sending you an email. It will have something that looks like what you are seeing here, although your times or group may be different. This is the format. Along the top, you see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You also see this area covers September 8th through 10th, our first week of school, and September 21st through 24th, our third week of school. Right here is September 14th through 17th, and then September 28th through October 1st. You also see that there is a V for Miss Vincent. She is supporting us in math. An L for me, and an M for Miss Motley. She is one of our reading specialists who will be supporting us. Down here, you see all of the small group times, and I've already sent you your time. Now what you need to know is what teacher to make sure you log in with. So for example, if this is your student, I see that this student is reading group 6. So this student needs to log in at 9:35 with the M for Miss Motley. For math, I see that this student is group 4. So I come down here and I see that they are 11:25 to 11:45. They need to log in at that time with Miss Vincent. Notice the V. You will be flipping back and forth between Miss Vincent and myself every other day. However, for reading, you will be switching back and forth between myself and Miss Motley every other week. Okay, so this week, this student would have Miss Motley all week. The next week, they would have me all week. But please notice, math flip-flops back and forth every other day. Let me run through this one more time for you. Our first day of school is Tuesday. So this student is in reading group 6. So on the first day of school at 9:35, I need them to log in with Miss Motley. On the first day of school, I notice that they are in math group 4. So at 11:25, I need this student to log in with me. All of these login buttons are on our Google Classroom that you will be bookmarking to your Chromebook. So it's one click away.